Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So students, today we will learn the beginning and middle sound of vowel O. Identify the picture with initial sound O and circle it. One is done for you. Orange. Orange starts with initial sound O. Now let me know which word starts with letter O. Octopus, bear, cow. Now write and match the pictures who have middle sound O. Log, dog, mop, mat. Now read the phrase aloud. An owl with orange, an octopus in the water. I hope you guys love doing this activity. Keep learning and keep growing. See you soon.